Debrox earwax removal kit is marketed as an easy at-home solution that unclogs ears without needing a doctor. But the real question is, does it actually work, or is it another overhyped health product? Now, to be fair, Debrox is one of the most widely known earwax removal products, and its active ingredient, carbamide peroxide, is a legitimate earwax softening agent commonly recommended by doctors. What it does well can genuinely soften earwax. The drops release oxygen and create a foaming action that helps loosen hardened wax inside the ear canal. Works reasonably well for mild to moderate buildup. Many users report clearer hearing and less blockage after using the drops correctly for several days. Where it falls short, it does not work for everyone. This is the biggest issue. Thick, impacted, or deeply packed earwax may not clear fully with Debrox alone. Sometimes it temporarily makes blockage feel worse. Several Reddit users say their hearing became more muffled during treatment because the wax softened but did not fully flush out. The flushing process can be frustrating. Many people misuse the bulb syringe or rinse too early, which can reduce effectiveness. So, does Debrox earwax removal kit actually work? Short answer, yes for many mild earwax cases, but not always for severe blockages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.